So with great pleasure, I have this occasion to meet all the senior management from Microsoft to the NEC Japanese company. Okay, you all the big guys, it's very impressive with your all the constructive speech. So my question is very simple, simplified. Particularly, Mr. Chen, director, you mentioned something about human beings solution, whatever the practical solution. Okay, I just raised a question. It's more easier to answer. Regarding the law enforcement methodology using law. For example, in the federal law, I'm represented from DC think tank, Washington, DC. Example, in the United States, there's a warning. The federal law prohibits dispensing without prescription. If in the near future we are going to have something like the medication therapy from the artificial intelligence, as well as like the mechanical, intelligence. So in this connection, do you gentlemen from all senior management, do you have any R&D team connecting to the government entity regarding the law enforcement methodology used? Because this is much related to the human beings' activity, something we call a practical solution. So everybody, you can answer my question. Like from Microsoft, the general director, Mr. John or whatever. That's my question, okay?
Yeah, thanks. Maybe I look like a policeman but honestly, joking aside, yes. I mean, for any major corporation, although we are an American company, but we're also a Taiwanese company as well. Right? I mean, from the law perspective, I think it is important for, and also being a responsible way when we talk about AI. Because right now, AI is really more like Wild Wild West. There are a lot of data being used that is maybe illegal but immoral. But more importantly, there are other parts of the world using data immoral and illegally. So from Microsoft, continuous, more like a sustainable way. What is the proper way to use that and we still preserve all these right thing to do, including human rights, including the privacy and so forth? Yes. So I think the short answer is we do work with the government worldwide, including the Taiwanese government, on, in terms of the privacy, in terms of all these the right way to do things for the society. I think the short answer is yes. I don't know if my colleagues here would like to join other comments.
We agree with what you said.
But we don't look like policemen.
Apparently not. Maybe on the other side. But obviously we do have a corporate responsibility as well as operating in the different regions and geographies that we do operate in. So we work very closely with government agencies in terms of their own regulations, whether it's GDPR in Europe or certain regulations as we operate in China, and then also of course the US. For us, we take our security as job zero for us. We operate in an environment. Amazon Web Services operates in an environment where if we violate the trust between ourselves and our customers and ourselves and the governments we work with, that will be a very detrimental impact to our business. We could essentially lose our customers overnight. So we're always diligent about working very closely with local, state and government agencies in the jurisdictions that we operate in.
Okay, I hope that answered. One additional comment: in Taiwan, we do have our local Personal Protection Act, the Personal Data Protection Act, and also Taiwan government is also applying for the recognition of adequacy level of GDPR. What it means is that we are re-examining our legal system so that make sure that we are getting close to the international practice in this area. additional question?